What's up? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? A couple of people that don't know me have asked, why are you doing this whole Project 1000? Why are you looking to help 1000 people make money online or investing or whatever the case may be? And the reason is because I want to plant the seed that it's possible to grow your money at any level or invest your money at any level. Despite what the results may be, yes, you might only make $5, $10, $20. However, if you learn how to do it on a small level, once you actually start sacrificing and being able to save more of your money, then you'll be able to do it at a bigger level. So this whole thing is all about helping people really get the idea of investing and how it works. I'm in a sauna right now, so don't mind the sweat dripping. But for all those pocket watching ass people out there, I do get a commission. My commission is 20%, which is fairly low if you ask me. You invest your money and I invest it for you, and you get 80%, I get 20%. This whole thing is not about me making money from you, okay? And the reason why I say that is because I'm asking you to invest $100 so that you can see the possibilities, so that the seed can be planted. Accounts that I'm trading, I'm only growing 5 to 16% on a monthly basis. If you checked out my last informational video or whatever, I made $80,000 in one day. That's what some people make in 2 years. So do I need your money to trade? No, because that is my own capital. It's not prop firm capital or anything. That's my own money that I put up that I was able to make $80,000 on in one day. Okay. So my 20% of your $100, let's say I grow at 5%. That's $5 that you just made this month. Out of that $5, I get $1. What the hell am I going to do with $1? What the hell are you going to do with $1? Right? So don't think I'm doing it for money. I don't sell a course or anything like that. So I'm not trying to pull you in just so I can sell you a course later on. But this plants that seed. And with you seeing the possibilities of growing your money, you're able to say, hey, I just made a little bit of money off of this. This might be something that I want to invest more time in so that I can learn more about it. Because let's say tax time come around and I'm able to invest $1,000 or $2,000 or $5,000. Now I can do it at a much bigger scale than just $100, but I've learned how to multiply my small money first. Because what you fail to realize is when it comes to investing or trading in Forex market, the money doesn't matter. It's all about the risk and the reward. The pips, the measurements. So if you are doing what you're doing on a $100 account and you're being successful on a $100 account, all you have to do is just change the lot size and add a couple more zeros to your trading account and do the same exact thing that you were doing at a small level on a bigger level. And what is that going to reward you? More money, right? So if I told you that, hey, if you learn how to trade Forex with $100 and you can be successful and consistently make $1 a day or, $1 a month or $5 a month, you're doing 5% a month. 5% is the same 5% whether it's on $100, $1,000, $10,000, $100,000. It's the same 5%, y'all. So all you have to do is learn how to do it on a small level. That's the seed that I'm planting. Learn how to do it on a small level if you're interested. If not, then yeah, just put your money in the account and let me grow it. Okay, cool. Never even think about having to trade yourself. You don't have to. But in hopes, I want people to look at it and say, you know what? My kids need to learn how to do this. My kids need to learn how to do this. My niece and nephew that's been looking into investing need to look into this. That's what I'm hoping to do. Plant the seed so that we, as people, regular, everyday 9-to-5 individuals, learn that investing is possible no matter what financial status you are or what level you're on, whether it's a middle class, low class, high class. Anybody can invest. How much you invest, that's going to depend on how much money you make or what you're able to sacrifice to have more money to invest. The sweat is getting in my eyes. But I just wanted to put that out there for you guys that don't really know me. You don't know that, I'm one of those kind-hearted individuals that want to see you win regardless. I'm not afraid of teaching you what I know. I'm not one of those information holders where I don't want you to succeed by the information that I know just because I didn't excel in that space. No, if I know the information and I'm able to teach it to you in a way that you can learn it, go ahead, take the information and run with it. I want you to be successful. It's enough money out here. It's enough success out here for everyone. Just because you're growing doesn't mean that I am getting stupid or getting dumb, or just because you're making more money doesn't mean that I'm losing money. No, we all have the possibility to win. So what I'm putting together right now is the Project 1000. I want to help 1,000 people make money online, see the possibilities of investing so that maybe you can retire. And maybe you can retire the people that you know just from this skill alone, right? There's no shortage out here of success for no one. They print money every single day, and somebody's making money every single hour, every single minute, every single second. The difference is you're just not bringing enough value to the marketplace to have that money be put in your pocket, in your bank account. So I'm trying to teach you how you can bring value to yourself. Now, if you want to do other things, because there's multiple ways to make money. This is not the only way that you can make money, ladies and gentlemen. By far, I'm not telling you that this is the only way, but this is one of the ways that I've been able to find that's been successful for me and the people around me, as well as been able to get me to where I am today. This is my journey. This is what I took. If you look at it and you say, hey, I want to go on that journey as well, you're welcome to come along. If not, then you look at other journeys and you say, hey, that journey is not for me, but he introduced me to this, so maybe I need to start looking into that. Everybody has their own journey. There's millions of dollars in every industry, and all you have to do is just fuck around and find out. That's what I like to say. Like, you have to go and play and learn. Those late nights, early mornings, that's when you should be on the webs surfing. When everybody's sleeping, nobody's bothering you. That's when millions are made. I know that I've discovered a bunch of different industries on those 3, 4, 5 o'clock a.m. days where I've just been up all night looking at stuff, how to make money, how to multiply my money, how to manage my money, all of that kind of stuff, y'all. Those are the times that millionaires are made, and they're made here first, not financially. It's the knowledge, it's the skill, it's the willpower to be willing to learn and then continue to learn. Because once you know something, it's not like that forever. Nothing lasts forever. You're gonna have to switch it up a little bit every now and again. Every year your industry might change a little bit, so you gotta pivot. Take the skills that you know to another level. Pivot. But that's all I wanted to do, y'all. I just wanted to make this video to address those things and let you guys know what the real intentions are. And hey, get in now. This week I'm gonna be grinding, putting people in, helping them out with the customer service one-on-one. Next week I'm going to Thailand, so I'm gonna be a little absent from helping people one-on-one. Everything is still gonna be going. We're still gonna be making money because this is Forex and you could do it from anywhere in the world. However, I'm not gonna be able to assist you, sign up and all of that kind of stuff, give you that one-on-one support, that one-on-one help that you may need if you are one of those individuals that need it. For those self-starters, they're gonna go through the program, get started, invest the money and just keep it moving. But for those individuals that need that extra help, that extra support, setting up accounts and stuff, maybe you're not computer or phone literate, then you might want to get in this week, because next week I'm gonna be in Thailand for a couple weeks, and I'm not gonna be able to support you as much because I'm gonna be exploring the world, enjoying the money that I make and just looking and see what else is out there, y'all. Like, where I am today is not my end all be all, and I'm not afraid to say it because I'm always looking for more or better, not necessarily material wise, because I'm definitely grateful for what I have now and who I've become, but there's no limit to what I can learn, who I can become, and that's what's really important to me. It's never really been about the money. It's always been about me becoming the person that I need to become. Going through special ed all through middle school, elementary school, high school, it does something to your mental. where you feel like you're not good enough. You feel like you're not smart. You feel like you're not valuable. So what helped me overcome that whole thing was getting into network marketing and learning about personal development. And personal development took me to a whole nother level, because it taught me that although we have teachers growing up in school, when you hit real life, you have mentors that some people never really learn or be able to associate themselves with because of their environment. And that was me as well. But what I've been able to do was tap into individuals online that had the lifestyle, that had the knowledge, that had the money that I wanted. And I was able to make them my mentors without them even knowing me, right? I used to tell my son that Les Brown was his uncle. You know, Zig Ziglar was his uncle. And, you know, that's just kind of how I live my life. I create my own lies. Instead of me telling myself a lie that can negatively affect me, I tell myself a lie that can positively affect me. You know, I'm so happy and grateful now that I have $3 million in my bank account. Yes, it's a lie. However, it's a good lie, because if I'm already happy and grateful for it, it has no choice but to show up in a materialistic fashion. You get what I'm saying? Instead of telling a lie and it not serving you, tell yourself a lie. Hey, I am the greatest in the world. I mean, we all know that nobody's perfect. However, when you feel good, you do good. So these little white lies help you out. It helps you with your motivation. It helps you with your mental. It helps you feel like you're unstoppable, to help you get over those humps of doing things that you necessarily didn't feel like doing. So I'm just telling y'all, man, like, learning and developing has been my way of coping with my younger days of not feeling like I'm good enough. And I'm not trying to say like the more that I learn, the better I am to prove other people wrong. But it had to start with me first. I had to prove to myself that I was good enough. And how you do that, Trey? You learn more. You learn more. Become better. Not just learning things, but becoming better. Knowing yourself. Obviously, when you don't feel good enough yourself, it's because you don't know who you are. I had to learn who I was in order for me not to accept what other people are portraying to me. That's saying that I'm not smart, that I'm stupid, that, you know, I need to be in special ed and stuff like that. I had to figure out who I was so that I can say, hey, no, that's not me. Before that, I believed it. And how can you believe what someone else is telling you about you when you should know yourself more than them? But when you find yourself in that rat race and you don't know who you are, you'll believe anything. Haven't y'all heard the saying that if you don't stand for anything, you'll fall for anything? Or if you don't stand for something, you'll fall for anything? That's the same thing. If you don't know yourself, you'll listen to everybody else. So I'm just rambling at this point. I hope somebody gets some value out of this video. But I just wanted to share with y'all live from the sauna. And just let y'all know, man, this journey is to be enjoyed. Don't do it just for the outcome. Do it for the journey. And hopefully I plant a seed in somebody and they'll take this information and run with it and become successful and see me at the beach or the bank and just let me know that it did something for them. That'll be happy for me. I'll be happy for that. So with that being said, I'll talk to y'all later. Let's get it. Boss for what? Holla. AC gang.